Assalamualaikum. This documentary is about a beautiful and I must say fabulous town of Gehlan. It is a town and union council located in the Kasur district of Punjab, Pakistan, approximately 65 miles southwest of Lahore. Situated at an altitude of 174 meters, it lies on the main Kasur-Okada road, making it a significant hub in the region. Agricultural significance. The economy of Gehlan is predominantly based on agriculture. The fertile lands yield various crops including wheat, rice, vegetables, and notably flowers. The town has gained prominence for its extensive flower cultivation, contributing significantly to the local economy. A recently established flower market on the main Dipalpur road has become a central hub for fresh flower business in Punjab and across Pakistan. Nursery industry. Gehlan particularly the area known as Gehlan Phatak in Pattoki, is renowned for its plant nurseries. This region is considered one of the largest plant markets in Pakistan, with numerous nurseries contributing to the cultivation and distribution of a vast variety of plants. The nurseries in this area are known for producing a wide range of plants, including ornamental plants, fruit trees, and flowering plants, catering to both local and international markets. Community and demographics. The residents of Gehlan are primarily engaged in agriculture and related industries. The community is known for its hard-working and enterprising spirit, with many individuals also serving in various professions such as teaching, armed forces, and police departments. Additionally, a significant number of residents have emigrated abroad, contributing to the global diaspora. Cultural and historical context. While specific historical records of Gehlan are limited, the town's development is closely tied to its agricultural roots and strategic location. The establishment of the flower market and the growth of the nursery industry have played pivotal roles in shaping the town's economic and cultural landscape. At the local level, there are government and private schools providing primary and secondary education to the students in this area. Gehlan has produced several notable individuals who have made significant contributions in various fields. First one is Khurshid Mahmood Kasuri, a prominent political figure. Khurshid Mahmood Kasuri served as Pakistan's foreign minister. He represented the area as a member of the National Assembly (MNA) from constituency NA 140, which includes Gehlan. Next one is Shadab Khan, emerging as a top broadcaster. Shadab represents Pakistan in TikTok battles, winning numerous matches and earning millions. His success and charisma have made him a well-known figure in the fitness and content creation space. These individuals exemplify the talent and cultural richness that Gehlan contributes to Pakistan's national landscape. Additionally, Gehlan has a rich cultural history spanning approximately 400 years, contributing to the region's diverse heritage. I hope you like this video, especially Gehlan Hitar people. Now I will say to foreigners that come Pakistan and explore Pakistan. But with it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.